First thing I do when I climb my stand is bow my head and thank the man. And while I'm waiting on daybreak, I feel my heart race. Up here on Whitetail Ridge, we know how to hunt, we know how to fish. We love our country, we love this land, and we're proud to be free. From the ground we plow, the stands we hang, we believe a man should pull his weight. We know what real hunting really is. Up on Whitetail Ridge.
Hey, what's up guys? As you can see, I got the backpack sprayer and we're here at the property and going to be spraying some different parts of the field kind of close to where I hunt. We're going to be putting some cover grass to kind of channel the deer. We're going to put, it's called Domain Incognito, and it's like 6 foot, 7 foot tall grasses, and good for bedding, good for travel and stuff like that. So we're going to put some along the logging road over here, I'll show you, and then also along the edge of this field because they like to hang up in here for a bit sometimes before they come out in the field to eat. So I'm going to try to give them a little safe space to come out a little bit and eat some of my other food plot I'm going to be putting in. But let's go spray some weeds. Thanks for joining us on our adventure today. Next week we will be coming back here with a mower and a tiller, hopefully, and all this grass that I spray will be dead. I can mow the grass that's dead and bring the tiller in and put some Incognito from Domain, some cover grass that'll give us some good hiding and some good bedding for the deer that we don't really have here. And later on, probably July or August, depending on which month looks more like rain, we'll come in here and put some no BS Domain clover, chicory, maybe a mixture of some peas, maybe just a whole variety of stuff to give the deer something to eat before the acorns drop. Hopefully we can beat the acorns this year. But anyway, see you next week, early Saturday. Well guys, the day has finally arrived. We are headed back to the property. Got the mower in the back, probably can't see it. Going to pick up a tiller now. Going to put ourselves in a poor man's food plot today. Well, at least part one of it. We're going to put in some taller grasses and stuff just to provide some more cover for them deer. Because sometimes like all the does will come out, as you guys saw, like they'll come out in that field and just, you know, be fine, but the bucks, they always hang back and don't come in until after dark. So I'm just trying to provide them a little cover, help them in a little extra food, help them to feel a little safer. So like I said, going to pick up the tiller now and then gonna go start. All right guys, got the rig tillered and mowed here to the property. Everything's starting to dry up really good. The other week, the goal is to mow a little path here, all the way up there, and then a little path here, and get as low as I can so I can get to dirt so I can till this all up. Pretty easy to till. But get the grasses in, kind of give them a head start. It's supposed to rain, I think, today, so kind of give them a head start to grow, and then probably put some of that no BS from Domain in probably when I get back from July 4th trip. That way these grasses have time to start, and the deer will get used to having the clover and all that from the no BS. So let's get the equipment unloaded and get started. I'm going to finish up because this is going to take longer than I thought to till up. But we'll show you some videos of us putting the seed down and the end results. It's pretty rocky, so I don't really want to bore you guys with me going back and forth all the time. So we'll be right back with spread the seed. Alrighty guys, well, we tilled what we could. It was very rocky. And we haven't had rain for over a week, so everything's really dry. Guys, it looks like we're only getting the grass on this side and like from that corner there all the way down. Thankfully down on that end tilled up pretty nice too. I want to put a nice blind in there for me and my boy. Gonna put some seed down and then run it over with the truck tire and kind of smooth it in there. And we'll see what we get. Alright guys, well, we got what we could in. I'll show you a little bit what we were able to only spread with the seed we had. And honestly, I'm happy with what we got. Currently, I am rednecking because I don't have a packer or a cultivator or anything like that. So, this is a feed plot. I put seed on both sides, and then we're gonna put some seed right there in the middle. And I just covered it up with a rake right now, like with dirt. And so what I'm doing now is I'm just gonna run over it with my tire and then back out of here. Alrighty, got everything packed up, and give you guys a little tour where we got it all done. Got a strip going down here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but got a strip going all the way down there. Hoping to get it pretty tall. Kind of give them a little more secure, feel secure back here. I want to put a blind in here somewhere along these woods so I can take my kid every once in a while. And then we got it coming all along here, from this all the way back here, back to probably right about there. How it will do here, I'm not sure. The soil was really rocky along this edge of this field. I definitely need a bigger equipment, and next year if I replant this and it doesn't do well, I probably will hire a friend of mine to come disc it up for me. I don't want to spend that kind of money, but you know, you gotta spend money to make money, and I make money by making videos. So if I want the big deer to come in, I gotta put in the work, you know. So strip that we were packing down with the truck a second ago, you saw. So I got grasses on both sides, and then in about a month or two I'll come in here when we're supposed to get some rain and kind of hoe it up a little bit in the middle, rough it up a little bit, get the soil loosened up again, and throw some clover, some chicory, some turnips, just a little bit of everything, but it's more geared towards spots that you can't really till up a lot. So that's the plan for that landing strip. And then I probably will even try get a little bit here, but it wasn't super good. But I'm gonna try to hoe it up again when I come with the no BS, and if I have some extra, put some along the edge there, and then also put some up here along the edge in here, and maybe even try in here if I can. Maybe if we've had a lot of rain, I'll come here in July, hopefully. The soil's a little looser from the rain and everything, and try to loosen it up a little bit more and try to get some more food in here. So anyway, thank you guys for watching this video on redneck food plotting is what I'm going to call it. So anyway, got some good films coming out for you guys. Hopefully by then we'll have a podcast with Timber Ninja. By the time this comes out, we'll have one with Timber Ninja, and then hopefully next week we'll have one with the director of the Game Commission. So stay tuned for that. And in July we'll have a bear film come out. So anyway, thanks for watching, and go subscribe to our Instagram and TikTok, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do, and check us out and stay tuned for more fun.